As recent as the late 1990s, the visitor train at the BC Forest Discovery Centre would often consist of 4 passenger cars, but they were smaller in size and lighter in weight. These were pulled by the Hillcrest No.155 Shay steam locomotive, a logging locomotive powerful enough to pull the 4 cars. Now, during the era from the late 1990s to 2023, when this Shay locomotive wasn't operating, the visitor trains could only consist of up to 3 passenger cars, especially when those cars became larger and heavier. Now, the return to service of the rebuilt Hillcrest No.1 Shay steam locomotive in 2024 brought the possibility of a return of trains consisting of 4 cars, and all larger, heavier cars this time. The frequently sold-out special seasonal trains for Halloween and Christmas made it clear that a 4th passenger car would be useful in meeting visitor demand. So this project to build a 4th car was announced in September 2024. Profab Manufacturing in Chemainus, BC, built the main part of the new car, and this was delivered to the shops area of the BC Forest Discovery Centre in late April 2025. Between May and September 2025, the finishing and fitting out work was done by staff and volunteers at the centre. I was able to see it regularly, and I kept a photo record of the progress. It was nice to see the railway name on the side of the car. Here are some views looking down the interior, seeing the progress. There are the chair frames, and then the frames start to get filled in with the wooden slats. The truck sets for the new car came from an old car on site, number 167, which I had frequently seen in the locomotive shed. Now, it's interesting to note that the 4 current passenger cars all include parts that tie them to an older era of passenger cars at the center. Current cars 153 and 154, well, they were built with the trucks and air brake components from the old era bus cars. And the current accessible car, number 168, well, that's an enlargement of a smaller, older, open version of number 168. And so, new car number 155 carries on with that tradition with the truck sets from the old open car number 167. By mid-October 2025, the new car 155 was at Alderley Station getting final painting and work done in preparation for entering into passenger service. Various test trips were done with the new car, and I was on site to observe and record one of those trips when they were checking to ensure that the new car in a 4-car train was handling the tight corners properly. On Tuesday, October 21st, 2025, things were ready for the new car to enter passenger service. I was on site to see them move the new car number 155 from the Alderley siding and cut it into the train as the first car in the consist. 4 p.m. was the first passenger trip with the 4 cars. Welcome to the new era.